Hello guys, welcome to Coding Hero. Today I will show you how to make this type of illusion with for Loop In Applet. So let's start coding. This is the simple applet code. First I will make program without loop and after I will show with loop. So let's start to write code. This is the method of graphics class and it is used to set color of object which is inserted after this method. Means if you use fillRect method after this method, then those rectangle fill with custom set color. fillRect method contains 4 values. This 2 value is coordinates of rectangle on applet and this 2 value is height and width of rectangle. So let's make illusion like rectangle with red and black color. So enjoy the time lapse. So as you can see here, illusion rectangle is look like this. Here I only insert 4 rectangles so it can't look like illusion, but I will make these illusion with loop. So first let's comment these code. So first declare 2 variables here. First variable contain coordinate of rectangle in applet, and second variable contain height and width of rectangle. So let's code fast and after I will explain you, so enjoy time lapse.
Switch.
So as you can see here, illusion rectangle is completed. So let's understand the logic of code. So here default I value is 30 and default J value is 200. So when loop run, first time value of rectangle is 30, 30, 200, 200. After I increment I value by 10. And J value decrement by 20. So next rectangle value is 40, 40, 180, 180. After here I also increment I value and decrement J value and this loop and run until I is greater than 200. So if you like the video, please consider subscribe, it will mean a lot. Have a good day, bye bye.